G here from OG Creations. June is Pride Month, and OGC is celebrating all month long. OG Creations is a safe space where you can express yourself how you see yourself. I am always excited to create a custom order that embodies exactly how you want the world to see you. If there is ever a time that you feel like you are in need to talk to someone, this life coach is just a DM away. Now I know, the USA is fucked right now, and it seems to the rest of the world that we celebrate stupidity over intelligence, conspiracies over fact, and wealth over those in need. At OGC, I know that kindness and understanding is key, and here, you have all of my love and admiration for presenting yourself exactly how you were born to be. This week, I wanted to experiment with one of my most popular items, my reversed tie-dyed pride shirt. In the past, I've bleached them out, untied them, and then dye painted them. Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely love these, but there was always the potential for muted colors or creating brown. And you remember what I said about brown in last week's video.
No.
This year, I wanted to see how they would look if I tied the fabric through the neck hole using kite string and then dyed them in equally allocated portions. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. Let's start with a black 100% cotton t-shirt that is slightly damp. I crumple the fabric and secure it through the neck hole using plain old kite string. Since I'm creating a batch of these shirts for my store, I want the color pattern to be as similar as possible. I secured the string directly beside the tag of the shirt, so when I start to dye them, I can pull that tag up and use that as a starting guide to confirm where I'm placing all of my colors and that they're in correct order and I don't fuck one up, which I have done a number of times. On my dye rack, I apply a bleach solution of 2 parts hot water and 1 part liquid bleach all over the shirt. I allow that to process for about 10 minutes before turning them over and adding more bleach and processing for another 10 minutes. The shirts are then soaked in a 10 parts water, 1 part peroxide solution for 20 minutes. I then rinse the shirts in cold running water for about 10 minutes before soaking them in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes and setting them aside for 24 hours until they're practically dry. Back on the dye rack, I start to add my dyes. Chinese red, orange crush, new emerald green, Houdini blue, deep purple, and clear yellow. Once fully dyed, they are set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. They are rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase that temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. They are then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, they were added to my Etsy store, ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. And during the month of June, use OGC Pride for an additional 15% off. I am so excited with how these turned out. The bleaching has left the mysterious black bursts, and all those colors are on full view. Just imagine what this rainbow will look like when you hit the dance floor and do your best Britney. And before you go, I'm testing a theory. YouTube is more than a bit sensitive when it comes to the creation of my tie-dyed briefs, thongs, and jocks with long format videos. So I'm sticking all of those over in the OGC Shorts channel. There you can find short videos from Hogwarts to Washington DC, Gay Pride to Eurovision Song Contest. Make sure to check them all out. And unfortunately, I have to say this, I hope all of you are taking some extra precautions to make sure you remain safe this Pride. Have an amazing month, and I'll see you next time.